Here we have a 20-plate BMW 320D XDRIVE M Sport Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just there. We also have the blue M Sport calipers just behind. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, you'll see the oxide grey paintwork, the LED headlights, the two kidney grills at the front, along with the gloss black splitter just down there, which adds to the aggressive look. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll see the second alloy wheel. Also have the M Sport badge just up there. Taking a step back for a side profile view, you'll see the colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, privacy glass at the rear. We also have the shark fin antennae just up there. Down here is the third alloy wheel. We also have a little spoiler lip just there. Now this vehicle has front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. We also have the dual exit exhaust just down there. We've got the XDRIVE badge just there. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So let's have a look at the last alloy wheel. And now let's have a look at the interior. So coming inside, you'll see the full leather interior with contrasting white stitching. We also have the M Sport colours on the seat belts just there. We have the fixed ISO points. We've got the foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the separate climate control just for the rear there. Having a look at the doors, you can see the brushed metal handle. We've also got the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same full leather interior. However, these front seats are heated. Again, we have the same brushed metal handle just there, the electric windows with trail lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, storage space just down there, and again the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Over here we have the auto lights. We also have auto wipers just there. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, which if we take a seat inside of the car, put our foot onto the brake and press the start button, you'll notice that the car starts up just like that. We are now free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We also have the likes of cruise control and speed limiter just there. We got paddle shifters on both sides. Moving over into the centre, you'll see the sat nav on the main infotainment screen. We also have the likes of media, which has radio. We also have Spotify and Bluetooth connectivity. We have phone connectivity just there. If we go back onto the home page, you see all these different options. So let's go into car for an example. Go to settings, and as you can see just here, we have the ambient lighting with all of the different colours just here. If we go back onto the home page and go over to apps, you'll notice we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving down from there, we have the climate control with the heated seats on both sides, which get very warm indeed. Down from there, again, we have the radio. We also have some storage space, which can be closed off just here. But inside, we have the wireless charging just there, along with a USB port, 12-volt connectivity, and two good-sized cup holders. Over here, we have the gear stick, which if we put the car into reverse, you can see just there, we have the reversing cameras and the parking sensors. Let's just put it back into park. Down here, we have the traction control button, we have the parking sensors button and the auto hold button. We've got the engine stop button. Some more buttons here for the different drive modes, so let's go into sport for an example. You see it comes up on the screen just there. We also have comfort, we have Eco Pro and adaptive. Now this also changes on here, so if we go into Eco Pro, you can see the dials change to blue. Moving over into here, we have the different shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We also have the electric handbrake just there. Nice soft touch leather armrest, which can be opened up for more storage, with again a Type-C USB port just inside of there. Now this vehicle comes with a fresh service, a fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free next day nationwide delivery. that is everything from me today. Thank you for watching.